Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can watch videos on Spotify. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Spotify and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, in the top, you're going to find your notifications, your friend activity, and here you're going to find your profile icon. If you click on it right here, you can access your account settings. Here you can go to your profile. You can upgrade to premium subscription. You can also start a private session, go to your settings, and lastly, log out from your Spotify account. Right here in the left side of your screen, you're going to find all of the sections. There is a home section, search, and right here you're going to find all of your playlists. You can also expand your library if you want. So right now, in order to be able to watch videos on Spotify, all you need to do, guys, is go ahead and search for a song that includes the video. So for example, I'm going to go to search, and then right here, as you can see, guys, if you go to browse all, you're going to find all of the categories. For example, I'm going to go to podcasts. Then right here, you're going to find categories. So for example, I'm going to click on educational. Then right here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find all of the podcasts in this category. For example, I'm going to go to this one. Then once you're here, as you can see, guys, right here, you're going to find the option to play the podcast. So as you can see, guys, now we're playing the podcast. So basically, guys, right now, if the podcast includes any video, it will display right here and you're going to be able to watch it. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.